Hi everyone, as we all know, winter season is coming and mostly people will suffer from dandruff and hair loss. So today, let's discuss how we can incorporate onion juice in hair care routine and get rid of dandruff and hair fall. Let's start. As we all know, onion juice is a very known and useful remedy for hair loss and has been used as a home remedy since ages. Onion acts as a growth-stimulating ingredient and boosts the rate of hair growth and even increases its volume. Onion has a potential analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antihypertensive, immunoprotective, anti-diabetic, and hypolipidemic properties. Out of these, there is one domain where onion juice excels, and that is the renewal of damaged hair follicles. Benefits of onion juice for hair are that it can enhance the rate of hair growth, volume, and reduce hair loss and thinning significantly. Onions are highly rich in sulfur, which is a chief component of the protein keratin and is required for strong hair growth. Thus, when applied to hair and scalp, it adds sulfur to the hair follicle and increases the hair strength and prevents breakage. The sulfur present in our hair follicles promote collagen synthesis, and collagen later helps in the formation of new hair cells and promoting hair growth. Let's discuss the benefits of onion juice for hair. Onion juice helps in the hair growth by boosting the level of enzyme catalase, which further helps in decomposing hydrogen peroxide, thus regulating and optimizing the hair growth. It helps in nourishing the hair follicles with sulfur, which plays an important role in the regeneration of hair follicles. Thus, if the follicles are rich in sulfur, then it prevents hair thinning and breakage. Therefore, you can use onion juice for hair regrowth. Antioxidants present in onions prevents or delays age-related changes like graying of hair. Onion even has antibacterial properties which keep the scalp clean and free from any form of bacteria, thus promoting unhindered hair growth. This property even prevents dandruff in the hair. Onion even stimulates the scalp and increases the blood supply to the hair follicles, for their optimized and full nourishment. No doubt it boosts hair growth, increases the strength of the hair and prevents its breakage, but it is not responsible for reversing any hair loss illness. You can use Elite Hair Essential Kit to prevent hair fall and get beautiful, soft and nourished hair. Let's discuss how to incorporate onion juice. 1. Onion juice hair mask. These masks play a very important role in promoting hair growth and reducing hair fall. Masks made with proper ingredients like yogurt, egg, olive oil, castor oils, etc. are helpful in promoting the growth of hair follicles and increasing their nourishment and blood supply. It also prevents hair loss and adds shine and smoothness to your hair. Hair masks also make your hair frizz-free and delay the age-related changes that occur with time. To prepare onion juice hair mask, peel the onion and cut it into quarter-size pieces. Extract onion juice. Now add honey in onion juice and mix well. Now, apply a thin layer of mask all over the scalp and hair. Leave the mask for about 20 to 30 minutes and cover the head with a shower cap or a towel. You can also leave this mask overnight. Afterwards, rinse the hair with a rejuvenating hair shampoo followed by a nourishing conditioner and hair serum after hair rinsing to lock the moisture into hair. Try this hair mask at least once a week or twice a month. How to use onion juice for hair. The simplest way is by applying onion juice on the scalp with the help of a cotton pad. Once the entire scalp is covered with the onion juice, gently massage your scalp for a few minutes. Leave the juice on the scalp for 30 minutes and after that wash your hair properly with a mild shampoo and cool water. This can be repeated on alternate days, and by applying onion juice on the scalp, we are boosting the hair growth and providing the hair with its strength. It even tackles any scalp tissue-related problems and ensures rapid and thicker hair growth. If the direct application method is not the cup of your tea, you can also add onion juice into your regular shampoo. In this way as well, you can get the benefits of onion juice. However, there are various other methods too for using onion juice. Various essential oils like olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil and lemon Ginger, egg or garlic are even used in combination with onion juice for promoting hair growth. Thus, smooth mixtures of above oil and onion juice are highly productive in preventing hair loss. These are effective methods through which you can add onion juice into the hair care routine. Pick any of the methods and follow that regularly to see the amazing effects of it. However, some people have a doubt while incorporating onion juice in a regular hair care routine due to unknown side effects associated with onion juice. Are there any side effects of onion juice for hair? There are no particular side effects of using onion juice on the scalp and hair, but it may lead to redness and itching depending upon the amount of juice applied on the surface of the scalp. Onion is a safe, natural and affordable home remedy that can be highly beneficial for your hair. So this is all about onion juice for hair. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel. Experience healthy hair and skin.